Today we are diving deep into the absolute best cases for the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra to make sure that never happens to you. We aren't just listing these, we are putting them head to head to see which ones actually earn a spot on your flagship device. Stick around until the end because our number one pick actually has a built-in programmable button that changes how you use your phone entirely. What is the most important thing for you in a case? Is it the looks, the drop protection, or the extra features like kickstands? Starting us off at number 6, we have the BENKS ArmorPro, and let me tell you, if Gentleman owned an S26 Ultra, this is the case he'd pick.
This thing is a masterclass in material science, blending authentic 600D DuPont Kevlar fiber with a high-grade TPU frame to give you that bulletproof aesthetic without the heavy lifting. The standout feature here is definitely that dedicated aluminum camera ring. While other cases just use a plastic lip, BENKS went full premium to shield those massive S26 lenses from nasty surface scratches. When you hold it, the textured Kevlar weave gives you this incredible non-slip grip that honestly puts the Spigen Tough Armor to shame in terms of hand feel and slimness. It's significantly thinner than your average rugged case.
Next up at number 5, we have the TORRAS Q3 Spin, and this is the Swiss Army knife of phone cases.
If you find yourself constantly propping your phone up against a coffee mug to watch videos, stop what you're doing and look at this. The Ausstand ring on the back isn't just a kickstand. It uses Halbach array technology to provide an 18N magnetic force, which is basically 200% stronger than your average MagSafe case. You can literally stick this to your fridge while following a recipe, and it won't budge. But the real magic is the 360-degree rotation. Unlike the Spigen Ultra Hybrid S, which usually only stands one way, the Q3 Spin lets you find the perfect angle in both portrait and landscape modes.
Moving to number 4, we have the Ringke Alles, and this is for the person who treats their phone like a tactical tool.
If the TORRAS we just talked about is a Swiss Army knife, the Ringke Alles is a full-on survival kit. It takes that 360-degree rotating kickstand idea, but wraps it in a much more aggressive dual-layer armor. We're talking a heavy-duty TPU bumper and a polycarbonate back that feels like it could survive a drop off a skyscraper. The magnets here are neodymium, which means your MagSafe accessories are staying put no matter what. Compared to the TORRAS Q3 Spin, the Ringke Alles feels much more industrial and rugged.
Coming in at number 3 is a fan favorite with a futuristic twist, the Spigen Ultra Hybrid MagFit in the Neo 1 edition.
This case is an absolute conversation starter because it features a high-definition 3D effect teardown print that makes it look like you can see the internal circuitry of your S26 Ultra. It's perfect for the tech nerds who want that transparent tech vibe without actually taking their phone apart. Underneath that cool print is Spigen's legendary air cushion technology, which uses tiny pockets of air in the corners to soak up impacts like a sponge.
At the number 2 spot, we have the RAPTIC Aramid skin, and this is for the purists out there who hate cases but love their phones.
This is a masterclass in minimalist engineering, coming in at just
Finally, at number 1, we have the crown jewel, the PITAKA Edge case in the Over the Horizon edition.
This isn't just a case, it's a piece of smart hardware. Like the RAPTIC, it uses 1500D Aramid fiber for that incredible strength-to-weight ratio. But PITAKA takes it a step further with their fusion weaving technology, creating a design that looks like a sunset over a digital landscape. But the reason this takes the top spot is the Aramid button. This is a built-in NFC integrated physical shortcut button. You can literally program it to launch your camera, turn on your flashlight, or start a voice recording with a single press on the side of your case. It's the first time we've seen this kind of tech integration in a minimalist case. It has a secure 15N magnetic hold and a fit so precise it feels like part of the phone's frame. While it carries a premium price tag of around $60 and won't protect against a 10-foot drop onto concrete, the added functionality of a programmable button makes it the ultimate productivity tool for power users. There you have it. The best of the best for the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. From the rugged Ringke Alles to the genius PITAKA Edge case, there is something here for every type of user. If this breakdown helped you decide which case is going on your new phone, do me a huge favor and hit that like button. It really helps the channel out. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss our upcoming durability tests and accessory deep dives. Which case was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. All the links are in the description.